What time is it?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, hola, and bonjour, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of October 31st, 2025. It's time to swim into another fantastic week. A big thank you to our kindergarten and first grade families for making the Storybook Parade a magical event. Your creativity brought our favorite stories to life and made this literacy celebration unforgettable. Another big thank you to all students, teachers, and families at both the elementary and secondary campuses who joined in on the fun for Red Ribbon and Halloween Spirit Week. Your school spirit made our campuses come alive with shark pride. Thank you to everyone supporting our elementary school store fundraiser. Keep sharing those emails and earn fun prizes and help teachers get gift cards for classroom supplies. And now here's a message from Ms. Cooper.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Cooper. Our elementary campus fall book fair is coming soon. It will take place November 10th through November 14th from 8:30 a.m. until 2 o'clock p.m. Family night at the book fair will be on Thursday, November 13th from 3:30 till 6 o'clock p.m. Come join us for the elementary parent training and stay for the book fair. We need volunteers to help during the book fair. Volunteers can sign up for one or more sessions. AM session is 8:30 a.m. until 11 o'clock a.m. PM session, 11:30 a.m. until 2 o'clock p.m. For parent night, the session is 3:30 till 6 o'clock p.m. If you're able to help, please email me or Mrs. Solorzano. Please remember, we ask our families to give 20 hours of their time volunteering. Thank you all and see you again soon. Bye.
We are proud to support New Worlds Reading, a free literacy program that sends books right to your home up to 5th grade. Swim on over to newworldsreading.com to sign up. In collaboration with New Worlds Reading, we invite our elementary campus families to a family fun night on Thursday, November 13th at 5 p.m. Please remember to register by November 6th. Yearbooks are officially on sale. Pre-order yours now for $35 and make sure you don't miss out on all the amazing memories from this school year. Yearbooks will be delivered in May, just in time to celebrate the end of an unforgettable year. Here is a message from our elementary school counselor, Mrs. Stein.
A huge round of applause for our third grade team. They currently have 29 students with absolutely perfect attendance. That means 0 absences and 0 tardies so far this year. This is such an incredible accomplishment, especially in such an important academic year. Third grade sets the foundation for so many key skills, and their consistency and commitment are truly paying off. Way to go, third grade. Keep up the amazing work. You're setting the bar high for the rest of the school.
Here are some elementary campus highlights. In Miss Kano's kindergarten class, our little engineers got creative with shapes. Students designed and built their very own houses using circles, squares, triangles, and more. It was a fun and hands-on way to explore geometry and imagination. In Miss Rivera's elementary art classes, students have been exploring the world of color. Kindergarten and first grade learned about secondary colors while creating festive pumpkin-themed art, while second graders explore warm and cool colors through their fun hot dog and cool cat projects. Third graders wrapped up their colorful collage wheels, and fifth graders added their final touches to their color wheel eyes. In art club, students learned about Vincent van Gogh and created stunning Starry Night-inspired masterpieces. Our second grade Sharks had an amazing adventure on their field trip to the Cox Science Museum. Students explored hands-on exhibits, discovered how science connects to everyday life, and even participated in interactive experiments. Miss McCaw's kindergarten sharks were recognized for being respectful, responsible, and ready in the cafeteria. They earned a special popcorn treat, and our elementary assistant principal, Mr. Spierski, personally delivered the popcorn to their class for doing such a fantastic job.
Hey PBMA families, come with me to check out Mr. Mac's 5th grade class. Hello class.
Hello.
Hello Mr. Mac,
How
how
you
are
doing?
you today?
Good.
That's good.
All right.
What are you guys working on?
We are working on analyzing an argument, talking about how arguments have two different sides, identifying the claim by the author at the time, and then reasons and evidence supporting those claims. So we're talking about in general where this comes from, what the argument is based on, how to identify the argument in a claim. The claim is usually what the author wants you to believe is true. So the author's trying to tell you something that is true, and he wants you to believe the same exact things that he does. You might not think it's true, so he's going to try to convince you, and that's how we're going to figure this out. You might not like it, but you might read this and say, oh, that's different. That's something else I want to know, okay?
Wow, boys and girls. This is an important lesson for them. This is a life lesson that you're going to use as you grow up and when you become a grown-up. Can someone share with me what they know about arguments? Go ahead.
It's when an author makes an argument about wanting to prove that something's true.
Right. But guess what? Someday you might be authors, or someday you want to make an argument. Is there a topic that you feel passionate about that you would want to argue and make a point? Share. Go ahead. Any ideas?
I got one. Whether or not we should have uniforms in school.
There we go. That's a relevant topic.
Now, there are good reasons for this, and there are bad reasons for this. So we could write something that would be a couple paragraphs on why they're good. You don't have to, and the first thing that comes to my mind for evidence would be, you don't have to wake up and figure out what the heck you're going to wear every day.
What
Right?
other arguments would you want to make for our school? Any ideas? Go ahead, Kara.
There shouldn't be any bullying.
No bullying. Okay, yes, that's definitely something that we want. No bullying. What about other ideas? Give me more. Lots of ideas.
That our mascot shouldn't be the shark. And it should be
Our mascot shouldn't be the shark. Why? That's where you would
You have to give us more evidence,
More evidence.
more
That's where
reasons,
evidence comes in.
more stuff, more reasons why. Well, maybe you think maybe it should be something different because we don't do anything like that. Maybe it should be a milder animal, like a jellyfish or something, you know? Or a little minnow, right? We don't want this big crazy shark and being all mean or something like that.
Yes.
But what else is about? What would be a good thing about, or not a bad thing about uniforms? What's a bad thing about uniforms?
Sometimes you can run out.
No, what would be a bad one? What does somebody like to do? Let's see here. What would be a bad thing? What do you think would be bad? You're not able to show off what? Your own what? Style,
right?
Taste, right? Everybody's got some individuality, right? There's a little bit of thing that we do for individuality to give us something we always wear, some way we always wear something, right?
This is a very important lesson, boys and girls. You are very lucky to have Mr. Mack as your teacher to introduce this to you. And I look forward to hearing more arguments from you. Thank you,
Great,
class.
no problem. Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Here are some secondary campus highlights. Students in Miss Ballycog's class got creative this week by working on spine poetry, stacking book titles to form unique and meaningful poems. Congratulations once again to the Wavemakers crew who received first place in the Town of Lantana video contest. Their hard work and creativity continue to make PBMA proud. This week's Wavemakers episode also features Mr. Honorat, our 6th grade math teacher who shared how he inspires students to see the fun side of math. Make sure to catch this week's Wavemakers episode on YouTube. And now it's time for Mrs. Short's Classroom Feature of the Week.
Hi PBMA, we are here with Marissa and Alexis who are part of our Wave Maker crew. They recently won an award. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
It was definitely shocking for me mostly as a director of it because I wasn't the one in front of the camera like they were, so nerve-wracking wise being in front of the camera, I didn't have to deal with any of that. but seeing that we actually won, I was just like, wow.
So what was the award you guys actually won for your Wavemaker video?
So we got certificates, we got noticed by town councils, and then we also got a gift basket that was split
Nice.
between all of us.
Can you tell me a little bit about the footage that you got of the town of Lantana that you guys submitted? Tell us a little bit about the video.
So we basically went to the moorings, the beach, the park, and got different perspectives from everybody. We went to the library to talk to Miss Jen, which is a phenomenal librarian. When we were going to the beach, we basically interviewed other people and getting how they feel about Lantana. And that's all I could say.
That's awesome. And you guys got to go to an award ceremony, right? On
Yes.
Monday? How was that? Was it exciting?
It was definitely something new. It was actually nerve-wracking for me for the first time. I was actually made a speech in front of the whole council. That was definitely hard.
That's awesome. What other types of things do you guys do in your digital media class with Mr. DeValle? Besides, like with Wavemakers, what do you guys do on a weekly basis? What does that entail for the week?
So every day is a little bit different, especially with this week being Spirit Week. So during our Spirit Weeks, me and Alexis, we go out, take pictures of everybody in the school, and all dressed up and everything like that. I go home, I edit all the videos, all the photos, and then I send it to Mr. DeValle. He then uses them, puts it into the Wavemaker episodes and everything like that. But outside of our Spirit Weeks, we have a set schedule for what we do. So on certain days, on Fridays are the days when we actually turn everything in and we get the video published. Everything else is like we do it on certain days. The recordings we start on Monday and then edit it throughout the week.
That's awesome. Well, thanks for talking to us today, and congratulations on directing and starring in an award-winning video.
Well, thank you.
And check out Wavemakers on YouTube.
Coach Storkel here with more PBMA athletics updates. Girls basketball won their season opener on Thursday, 28-5 against Slam. Carly Godoy led all scorers with 14 points, and Sophia Inirio added 8 in the Shark victory. The Lil Girl Sharks are 1-0 and will look to keep the momentum rolling in their next game against Somerset DBK.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll never miss an update. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.